Today, we are diving into easy investments that make money while you sleep. The perfect solution for busy people who want to build wealth without sacrificing their precious time. We will cover low maintenance, stress-free options that work hard for you 24/7 so you can focus on living your best life. Let's face it, we are all busy. Whether you're a full-time professional, a busy parent, or an entrepreneur, time is your most valuable asset. That's why investments that don't require constant attention are a game changer. These sleep-friendly investments help you grow your wealth steadily, minimize risks through diversification, save time and energy for what truly matters in your life. First up, high interest savings accounts. These accounts offer better interest rates than your regular savings account, letting your money grow passively. Many online banks now offer rates between 4% and 6%, much better than the typical 1%. Plus, they are insured and risk-free, so your money grows while you sleep, without the stress of market fluctuations. Next, consider dividend-paying stocks. These are shares of companies that distribute a portion of their earnings to investors regularly. What's the beauty? Even if the stock price doesn't move much, those dividends keep coming in. It's like getting a paycheck just for holding your shares. Companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson have a solid history of paying reliable dividends. For those who love real estate but don't want the headaches of managing properties, REITs are your answer. These investment trusts own income-producing real estate like shopping malls, apartment buildings, and warehouses. You can buy REIT shares just like you would buy a stock, and in return, you get a share of the rental income. No landlord stress involved. If you're looking for truly hands-off investing, consider robo-advisors. These are automated investment platforms that manage your portfolio for you. You simply set your risk level and goals, and the robo-advisors does the rest, rebalancing, diversifying, and optimizing your investments. Platforms like Betterment, RiseVest, and Trove make investing easy and stress-free. Another great option, peer-to-peer lending. Here, you lend money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms. In return, you earn interest payments, similar to how banks earn money from loans. Popular P2P platforms like Lending Club and Prosper offer a simple way to generate passive income. But remember, there is a bit more risk compared to other options. So make sure you're comfortable with that. And of course, we can't forget about index funds and ETFs. These funds track a whole market index like S&P 500 and let you own a small piece of hundreds of companies in one investment. They are low cost, automatically diversified, and have historically provided solid returns over time. Perfect for those who want to grow their money quietly and steadily. My golden tip: start small and stay consistent. Even if you're investing just a little every month, the magic of compounding will work in your favor over time. Remember, it's not about timing the market. It's about time in the market. So, which of these sleep-friendly investments sounds like the perfect fit for your busy lifestyle? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up and share it with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss more money making tips. Thank you for watching and trusting me to guide you on your journey to financial freedom. Remember, with the right investments, you can literally make money while you sleep. Stay smart, stay consistent, and until next time, keep growing that wealth. Bye.